Hello and what's up guys, Hina this side and we are going to talk about what is the Instagram Reels Recap Template feature. With the launch of 2022 Recap Template for a Reels, Instagram has given us all a unique way to celebrate the new years by reviving this year's glories and keeping all the beautiful memories of 2022 right beside us. Let's get going with what it is actually. Simply put, this feature basically assembles all the photos and video you have uploaded throughout the year into a dedicated Reels template. Let's check an example of how the template looks.
Okay, bless up, 2022, here's the looking at you. You were beautiful. You taught me to live in the moment and to always appreciate the little things. You were wild. You threw me curveballs, but man, do I know how to swerve. And you were filled with love.
This celebratory feature can help brands to share a prompt story of the year to celebrate a customer wins and achievement in 2022. It will available globally for several weeks in 2023. Once you have uploaded your recap, it will remain on the Reels tab of your IG profiles. So that's all, signing off, see ya.